and welcome to Lakshmi Bee. My name is Lakshmi, co-owner, director, sustainable designer and speaker at Lakshmi Bee alongside my mother Susan. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made these DIY custom cake stands. I absolutely love these stands. They're so fun and super cute and unique. A few years back I was trying to find and source some vintage pieces and I saw this style around and absolutely loved it. Unfortunately, the really nice ones were out of my budget at the time and I couldn't find anything suitable from the vintage stores or find two pieces that matched. So then I thought, why don't I try and make them myself? Oh. Long story short, my grandma ends up giving us these cute little cat salt and pepper shakers in our Santa Christmas stockings. We didn't really have a use for them, and the orange wasn't really our type of color or theme, so they were just hanging out in the cupboard. And I remember walking past there and seeing them and thought they would be perfect for the top of the stand. All I need to do is repaint them and I can make a beautiful set. And the actual cake stands, I got them from this online store. I can't remember what it was called, but I think you can find similar ones on Amazon. I have seen others, not the same design, slightly different, at your local homeware type stores or specialty stores. With the topper, you can literally use anything. Whatever design you want to do, you can have a flower, like different animals, or cute little cakes or a heart, whatever suits you. All you need is the same size fitting or screw from the top. Attach it to your little icon and it will go on perfectly, which I will show you how to do. So let's get started. All right, so first you're gonna get your topper or ornament of your choice, a cake stand, some nuts, screws, bolts, some fabric filler, paint brushes, any paint that you have. I'm using house paint. Detailing paint, I'm using shoe paint, anything that will be permanent, super glue, and scissors. First thing you're gonna do is get your cake stand toppers and create the design that you would like. So I'm going for an all black look here. I'm just gonna paint over my toppers and I'm using black house paint that I had left over from one of my DIY projects. I'm going over the design lines with some shoe paint. So this is the same paint that you see me use when I paint shoes, and it's pretty good. It stays on quite well. Ideally for this, I would suggest that you put some kind of overcoat or top coat just to seal it in. If you're going to be using them a lot, I haven't done it with these because I'm using them more as a display. And you can paint any design that you like. I've created some cute little cat faces with some eyes and some little whiskers, little random hair spikicles. These look so awesome. So now we're going to get the fixtures ready. You want to make sure you're getting the same bolt size as the bolt on your cake stand. I'm going to place these bolts inside my topper, and I got really lucky here because these salt and pepper shakers already have open bottoms where the screw can actually go. I've just cut a hole in the plug and I'm just going to put my screw through it, and I'm going to leave a couple of centimeters which will fit into my cake stand nicely. And the rest of it's just going to be popped inside the salt and pepper shaker. If you're using a different type of topper, just get shorter bolts and glue them on the outside. Now I'm just getting some scrap fabric that I had lying around. This is just cotton calico. You can use literally whatever you have, stuffing, pillow stuffing, whatever you want. And again, that's if you require it for the type of topper you have. Obviously salt and pepper shakers, I'm going to need it. And this will just help support my bolt inside and keep it steady. So I'm just super gluing these in there so it's nice and secure. Just getting it down there with a skewer and putting some super glue around the base of that plug and the base of my bolt with some more super glue on the fabric. So this is going to stick perfectly right at the head of my topper. And there you have it. Let that dry for over 24 hours and it's ready to use. Wow, how incredible is that? Super easy, super quick, any design that you like. And what a statement piece that is for your table. It's amazing what you can create with stuff that you already have at home. And you can even go to the vintage store and find some really cool pieces. The possibilities are endless. Brand new, unique, designer style cake stands. These are such fun statement pieces. Perfect for an afternoon tea or a lunch or a brunch or even a dessert. Beautiful pieces that you can cherish for many years to come. With fast fashion and waste culture still being one of our globe's biggest polluters, it is very important that we remain sustainably conscious. To invest in quality pieces that last, or reuse and recreate items that we already have at home. I love upcycling because you get to have your very own unique piece. And there's something really special about creating your own items. And they're great conversation pieces that you can share with your guests. Please let me know if you end up trying this tutorial. I would love to see some of the awesome designs that you come up with. I'm Lakshmi. Thank you so much for being here with me today, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! Thank you for joining us at Lakshmi Bee. If you were inspired or encouraged by this episode, please like and share with your family and friends. We have plenty more content to share with you, so subscribe for the next episode. Together, we can all help make a global difference by simply using what we already have and being the great person we were created to be.